Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can copy YouTube video link in mobile. The process is similar in iOS and Android, so do follow along. The first thing you want to do is open the YouTube app on your device. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the YouTube app. To check, you can head over to Play Store or App Store and then simply search for YouTube over here. Now, if you find the update button like this, go ahead and tap on this button and then update the application to the latest version. After the application has been updated, you simply want to search for the video that you want to copy the video link of. So let's say that this is that video. Once you have opened the video, what you want to do is tap on the share option over here. If you tap on this more option and get the description, you won't find this option. So make sure that you have not open the description. You can tap on this cross mark over here and you will find the share option. So go ahead and tap on this. Now you can share this video link using all of these applications, but if you just want to copy the video link, tap on the copy link option over here. As you can see, this link has been successfully copied. Now, if you paste the link in this way, as you can see, the link has been successfully copied and you can paste it wherever you want. And in this way, you can copy YouTube video link in mobile. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.